Hey guys, your friend Ideyemi Oluwaseun is here. So I want to give you a quick update about the Satosh app that made a review the other time about the Satosh. I don't know if you don't remember. So this is the Satosh app that's called it. So this is the how the Satosh app where you will mine BTCS, where we mine BTCS for free, and firstly, let's just go straight to the white paper to see more about this. You can also do your own research about it. So on white paper, as you can see, according to the research and the content that we've seen everywhere and there, as according to their white paper as well, you can see that it says it's going to be second Bitcoin that's cast as stable coin. So there's going to be like second Bitcoin. All right. So in 2000, so what we say is that Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, right? And a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. So Bitcoin has opened a new world after more than 10 years of development. The news born with cyberpunk dreams is curiously involving with everything and trying to leave some marks in the world. So we see the blockchain is so now. So back into 2020. So I want us to go through the white paper together, right? So Bitcoin has developed as digital gold and is running on the road to catch up with the golden market value. Until we prove that it is invincible, Ethereum was officially launched in 2015. Then now the birth of BTC, that's actually where we are going. So because of the rapid development of Bitcoin, the value of Bitcoin has risen millions of times in 10 years, and over a million people have caught up with the vastest wealth train of this era. So, however, this is not in line with Satoshi Nakamoto's fierce wealth creation and protection of wealth spirits. Satoshi Coin, BTC, that is Satoshi Coin, that is BTCS, is committed to create the second Bitcoin. Can you see that? So I want you to mark this place as it is said, all right? Second Bitcoin. So that's the reason why I want you to start mining. So allow in more people to take the second wave train, no pre-mining, free, fair and free, all right? So it's free. Let more people own it for free. So this is the mission of BTCS. So Satoshi Nakamoto, that is the same person that created the BTC, and his English name Satoshi Nakamoto is the origin of the name of BTC. So BTC takes BTC plus Nakamoto's initial letter, which implies Bitcoin signed by Nakamoto, which is a sibling coin of Bitcoin. All right, so it's going to be like a Bitcoin twin. Once again, we will fight to fairness to create wealth and protect wealth. So now the only vision of Bitcoin is to be significantly currency second to Bitcoin, create wealth for fairness and protect. So then the issuance. So you can just go through all this. You can say some. You can just also go through all this information, right? Because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so then you can see I have mined. This thing is mining every time. As you can see it here, you can see that it's mining every time. And as you can see, I participated in 16 blocks so far. Once you get to 150 blocks, you see that this thing will stop mining according to the information. I've not been making it to get 150 blocks anyway. Then you stop mining until you received it here. Once you received it, then it will continue mining automatically again. So now let me quickly receive so this 16 blocks. That 16 blocks is now 0.356 BTCS. Okay, so then I have already mined so far. I have already mined 25 BTCS, and so let me just receive it. So you just need to click on receive it here. All right, once you are received, so then as you can see that this is so it will now start continuing, and as you can see that this one has been increased. Then I have free BTC that I've earned, right? Because a lot of people has actually signed up right here. So now let me go. So let's try to withdraw at least a little BTC and see how it's gonna be. All right. So let's do that together. I want to, okay, I have to go to mine. That is me there. Then I have to come to my assets. All right, so as you can see, BTCS doesn't have any value and right now, but let's just continue mining. Let's just continue mining. When Bitcoin came out, nobody know that Bitcoin is going to be like this. Imagine if this one go and do something like Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is doing right now. So if those are the have opportunity to mine Bitcoin for free, then they know who he has to live. That is if they actually keep it well. All right, so and I have free Bitcoin right here valued at $16, right? So let me just click on it and I want to actually make a withdrawal to see how it's gonna be. The other time on that video I checked, I was not the one that actually, it's just a friend that told me about this opportunity. All right, so now let me just make a first withdrawal. So they asked me to set up asset password, so I have to pause this and to do that. All right, I have to pause. All right, so I have created the asset password, that is withdrawal password. Okay, so now I want to, the minimum that one can withdraw is 0.0002, and I think I have it up to that. Yeah, I have to up to that. Then what we'll do right here is, let me just go through. Okay, let me just go to the Binance and withdraw it to the Binance. So I want to withdraw it to the Binance right here. So it's loading beautiful, right? So now I have to click on the wallet, then click on deposit right here, then click on BTC. All right, so I have to choose BTC. All right, so then come back to this place, loading. All right, so now I come back to this, then come back to this, then you click on BTC, then you click on withdraw. I have to paste the withdraw there. So then the amount is gonna be, let me just put 0.0002. So the chain transfer fee is 0.0001 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So let me just put one right here so that I get the, so now the password to, so please, I have to pause this to enter the password. So finally I got notification from Binance that the money has been successful from BTCS mining. So let's just check. All right, so we just finally got the notification. So as you can see, that the withdrawal has been successful, right? You can see that the withdrawal has been successful. So we got the notification from Binance. This is another 12 block that has been mined. They have received some, but so I have to receive it again now so that I can keep mining for me. Then let me see if there's any BTC to receive. So you can just also share this app with your friends and relatives to also at least be getting something, all right, from them. I get, so you can see another mining. This is where you'll be seeing it. You can see there's another, this more mining is going to be, it will soon be here. In the next, you can see next block, in the next 6 minutes 50 something seconds, it will be here. So that is where you'll be checking when, so you see this is the ongoing mining. This one is currently mining, and this is the time to stop mining and they will now put it here. Then another one will come up. You can just monitor it, so you see that how, that is how this thing works, right? So this one is not, I think it's my network also. So that's all what I have. All right, is there? It has come up. It has come up. So now let me see if I have any. All right, I still have some to receive. I have received some this morning. Today is Saturday. Yes, it was Friday yesterday that I processed the withdrawal, that Bitcoin withdrawal, and today is Saturday that I received it early in the morning. This is 9:08 in the morning. So that's what I have for you guys. So thank you. Let me just receive these two first. I think it's the network. Okay, you can see the network. Network is bad, right? So thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. You too can also share it with your friends. You can see more than, so some people has been sharing, and they have about two. These guys that they sign up directly under me, and this guy that signed up directly under me, they're also promoting it and got another 263 people under themselves. I don't know them anyway. So, and there are some people that they just register. You can just, like this guy that shows register. It means it's not mining. This one has not completed this verification. So this one is still saying mine and registered. You just register, it's not mining anything. So you can just do your verification. I know that the verification is, at times it's frustrating at times, but you can just do it also. Okay, because we don't know what BTCS can do tomorrow. That is my advice for you. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.